Hey guys! Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you facts about CnTower, located in Toronto, Canada. So move toward my today's video. The CnTower is a telecommunications and observation tower located in Toronto, Canada. It was completed in 1976 and was the tallest freestanding structure in the world until 2007. Today, it remains the tallest freestanding structure in the Western Hemisphere. The construction of the CnTower began in February 1973 and took over 40 months to complete. The tower was designed by John Andrews and Webb Zarafamenko's Houston partnership, with calculations done by Rowan Williams Davis and Irwin Incorporate and Canron. The total cost of the tower was Canadian $63 million, which is equivalent to over $350 million today. The tower stands at a height of 553.3 meters, or 1,815 feet, and is made up of concrete and steel. The construction of the tower was a major engineering feat, involving over 1,500 workers. The tower was built to withstand winds of up to 418 kilometers per hour, or 260 miles per hour, and earthquakes of up to 8.5 on the Richter scale. The tower's unique design presented a number of engineering challenges. The tapering main shaft and the pod-like structure at the top required different construction methods. The lower part of the tower was constructed using traditional scaffolding and cranes, while the upper part was built using a system of hydraulic jacks. The tower's construction required the use of over 40,000 metric tons of concrete and 7,000 metric tons of steel. The construction of the CnTower was not without its challenges. One major obstacle was the need to build a foundation that would be strong enough to support the tower's weight. To do this, engineers used a technique called slipforming, which involved pouring concrete continuously while the tower was being built. One of the most difficult parts of the construction process was the placement of the tower's antenna. To do this, a helicopter was used to lift the antenna to the top of the tower, where it was then secured in place. The CnTower was built to serve two main purposes. The first was to improve television and radio reception in Toronto, which was poor due to the city's location on the shores of Lake Ontario. The second was to demonstrate Canada's technological achievements to the world. The CnTower officially opened to the public on June 26, 1976. At the time, it was the tallest freestanding structure in the world, surpassing the height of the Eiffel Tower in Paris. In 1995, the tower was designated a National Historic Site of Canada. Today, the CnTower is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Canada, attracting over 2 million visitors annually. The observation deck offers panoramic views of the city and Lake Ontario, and the restaurant, located at 351 meters, or 1,151 feet, above the ground, offers fine dining with a view. The tower also features a EdgeWalk experience, where visitors can walk around the edge of the main pod while harnessed to a safety rail. Overall, the CnTower is a testament to Canada's engineering and architectural prowess, and it remains an important symbol of Toronto's skyline and identity. If this video is helpful for you, then like and share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel.